From the home of Código del Sur, welcome to Beyond the Code.
Hello, everybody, and buckle up. March at Código del Sur has been all about travel, and we're just getting started. We started with our presence at ProMat 2025 in Chicago, the leading automation and supply chain event. We showcased how technology can transform logistics and optimize processes with cutting-edge software. We were also in Miami for Fintech Week, which was a fantastic opportunity to learn about the latest on digital payments and blockchain. We're excited to incorporate all of this into our innovative solutions. And of course, we couldn't miss eMerge Americas, one of the most important tech events for the Americas. We were connected with startups, investors, and companies that are revolutionizing the tech industry. Now, let's jump into the realm of entertainment, shall we? Are you familiar with Moviepass? Recently reacquired by its original founder, Moviepass set out to relaunch its nationwide movie subscription service with new iOS and Android apps, which we proudly helped them build. Our team aligned with the company's vision, collaborated closely with their teams, and used Swift UI and Jetpack Compose to deliver revamped apps released in beta to over 100,000 users. The future definitely looks exciting over here. And now, moving on to the featured technology section. Do you manage a fleet of drones? DJI's Cloud API might come in handy for you. If you're wondering whether this is a good choice for your business, we've got a video about it on our YouTube channel. Make sure you check it out. And that's all. Thanks for flying with us. See you next time.